Welcome to Smart Rookies TV. Today we'll be having a conversation on how a smart kid spend her off-school day. Sit down, relax, listen, practice and repeat after us. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Layla.
Oh, Layla. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How's your studies?
It's fine, thank you.
What are your activities this morning?
I will be doing some exercise, such as running, jumping, and walking.
Okay. That's good, because exercise is really good for the body. What will you do later after the exercise?
I will go into the bathroom, wash my hair, and have my bath.
That's great, because cleanliness and good hygiene keep us healthy. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How is your day going?
It's going fine, thank you.
What did you have for breakfast?
I ate bread and tea.
Okay, nice. Have you had lunch?
Not yet. But I intend to eat rice after I'm done doing my homework.
Oh, that's great. What are your activities like in the afternoon?
I read my book, do my homework, play with my friends, have lunch and take a nap.
That's brilliant. Well done. Good job. Good evening.
Good evening.
How was your day?
It was fine, and yours?
It was good as well, thank you for asking. How are your parents?
They are fine. I will be having a good time with my family as always this evening. We will first have dinner, watch a movie together. And Grandma will tell us a bedtime story. Afterwards, all of us will pray together. Have a group hug. I say good night to Mommy. Good night, Daddy. Good night, Granny and my siblings. And then we all go to our various rooms for a good night rest.
Wow! That is a very good family bonding. Now it's your turn. Yes, you watching this video. Do you want to share how you spend your off-school day with us? Don't forget to watch this with your family. Like, share and subscribe for more.